Hello there. So you want to know how you can use the Telegram mobile application? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first things first, simply go ahead and open your Telegram application. Now in order to go ahead and send a message to someone, all you need to do is tap on the person. I hope you have already logged in into your account. You can import your contacts right here and message anyone that you want to by just clicking right here. Now if you want to send files, tap on this button right here and click on file, and then as you can see, you can send any file that you want. You can also call people by simply tapping right here on the call, video, anything that you want to, and that is about it. You could also send voice messages by tapping on the or holding on the mic icon on the bottom. You can also send a lot of other things. When it comes to joining channels, you can simply go ahead and search for channels right here. You can search for apps right here if you want to. As you can see, there's so many bots that you can go ahead and open. There's also posts. You can simply go ahead and global search. There's media right over here. As you can see, there's links, there's files, and there's so much more. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on